Thank you. It's a real honor to be here. It's my first time because I haven't seen the Computron finals last year. And it's actually so heartening to see so many of students and parents taking all the effort and coming here. Just to tell you how important it is for us, you would understand that we have very esteemed people amongst us, Dr. Jaina, Dr. Chintala, and you can see the commitment of both the industry, which is Microsoft Certiport, as well as the academic side of the industry in India to recognize the talent of students as we see it. And with this esteemed gathering, I think both students and parents feel proud that we do recognize what you're worth and what you can do as promise. And that's what this whole competition is about. It's about unlocking the potential. It's about recognizing what you could do. And it's very interesting because for Microsoft, and I don't know whether most people know this or not, but I just want to ask you a very interesting questions. You all participated and were done very well in the Office competition. So here's one pop quiz for you. How many versions of Office has Microsoft released till now? Yeah, that's the right answer, 14. So you're participating in this, I thought I should ask you. So 30 years of the company, almost, 15 versions of Office, with the 15th version getting released this year. Internally, we call it by these names. You see the commercial side of it, like Office 2007 or Office 2010. Office 2010 was Office 14, and this is going to be Office 15 this year. So it's very interesting as a journey. You should also know that the product that you are actually getting certified on and the product for which you are competing for skills is the largest business for Microsoft. Windows and Office is what the company started with, apart from the most popular thing known as DOS in those days. But productivity tools is something that the company is very proud of because it impacts lives of all of us in our day-to-day work, whether you are a student or whether you are a person working in the industry today. And it's very interesting, and as we see it in Microsoft internally, Office is something which you have from the phone to the cloud. So I'm very proud to say that I have Office on my phone, and therefore I can see documents, I can work on spreadsheets, I can actually look at presentations, I can do everything that is required on the move because that piece of productivity software actually resides on any kind of device. And in Microsoft we say that you have the little screen, which is the phone, and then you have the screen in between, which is your PC, laptop, tablet, slate, and then you have the larger screen, which is your television. And I can tell you, Office actually resides across all these ecosystems. And Office is not something which is a piece of software that you actually just install and use. Today we say Office is on the cloud, which means Office 365 as we call it. And literally you don't need to install anything, you can just go ahead and use that piece of software. There are billions of users of Office in the world. When I was coming here, I thought I'll take a quick dipstick internally and tell you how many, but that